Hi guys, it's Jazzy Bros and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a fierce high fashion smoky eye. So if you guys are interested, please continue watching. So guys, as you can see, I already started doing one eye. I'm gonna do one with you guys. So I'm gonna just take my LA Girl Pro concealer and I'm just gonna add a little bit onto my eye. This is gonna help blend your eyeshadow more beautifully, especially the fact that we're using such deep, like dark colors. And just take your beauty blender and blend it out, and take your translucent powder. I'm using mine from Laura Mercier, and you're gonna just take your setting brush and just set everything. Now once that's done, oh, I just almost dropped my palette, guys. I'm gonna be going in with the Smashbox Cover Shot. This is a smoky eye palette, and for starters, we're gonna start off with the color Instinct, which is this color right here. And I want to use like a really big fluffy brush, especially the fact that like I'm like blending it out here. So I'm gonna go with my Morphe M510 brush and see how big it is. So you're just gonna put some on, and you're gonna, in a circular motion, just blend it all the way out, like to your temple kind of. This is like the best brown color you could like pick for a smoky eye, especially a black one. Perfect. So now I want to go in with another blending brush, but this, it unfortunately doesn't have a number. I got this in a Christmas collection, and there's not a number to it. But you see how it's honestly not as big. Now when it comes to eyeshadows, the bigger your brush, the lighter the color. You can use the same exact color with a smaller brush and the color will look more dark. So we're going to go in with the black color, which is Headline, right here. And you're going to just, I always start at the outer end of my eye. And you're going to just bring it into your crease. And circular motions, just blend as best as you can. Now we're going to go in with like a bigger brush, not as big as the big one, but this is my R37 Morphe brush, and you're gonna go back into that black, and you're gonna start from the outer corner and just lightly, do not press hard, just lightly brush it out. And you can go into your crease as well, just lightly brush it out. And you can go back into that smaller brush that we just used and kind of bring it in a little bit more, the black. You don't have to get the whole eye, not just yet. And now go back to that extremely fluffy brush and go back in with Instinct, the brown color, and just blends out any harsh lines that you see. kind of want to go back in with my MR37 brush, and right at the end just blend that out a little bit more. So now you see how it's like kind of like dusty, and this one's more just cleaned up a bit. So I'm gonna go in with my concealer, my Shape Tape concealer, and I'm gonna take the tip of it and kind of clean it up. Not kinda, you are cleaning it up. Does that look even? You guys know I got two different shaped eyes, right? Pain in my damn ass. And then I'm going to use a concealer brush and kind of like push hard and sweep. Try not to get it in your hair like that, but whatever happens, it happens, it will come out. Shit. And then you're gonna take your beauty blender and give it another hard wipe. Shit. And just blend it. And that will give you your nice sharp edge. So for the bottom, you're going to use the same exact colors, but different brushes. This is my crown brush. This doesn't have a number either, I'm sorry. But it's the same color. You're going to go in with Instinct, the brown. And just blend it. And now we're going to go back into, what color is it? Is it Big? Nope, that's not Big Night. I hate when they do this. You're going to go back into Headline. I did say it right the first time. And I'm going to use, this is my M36 brush. And you see how this is kind of small, but it will blend. You're going to take that black color and just blend it right under your eyelash line. And you can get into the corner too. And I just want to fix that right there because it went over the line a little bit so it doesn't look straight. There we go. And then go back with your brush that you just blended to use that brown brush, Instinct, right? Yeah. I don't know why I can't remember the names. And just blend it so there aren't any harsh lines. Now, because we still obviously didn't finish the whole eye, as you guys can see. I'm sorry, my brushes are like all over the place. I'm going to go with my E17 brush. And I'm going to go with the color Hell Yeah, which is this gray color right here. And you're going to go over the areas that you didn't get on your top lid. And you're going to blend just a little bit. Look up right under that eye. So now for inside of your waterline, I don't know what happened to the top of it, but I'm going to use my NYX Wonder Pencil. And this is in light. And I'm just going to go into that waterline. I hope I don't poke myself in the eye. I need a mirror, guys. Oh, shit. I'm dropping everything. What else is new? And you're just going to put that into your waterline. And now, because I'm just going to be putting on mascara. I don't know, maybe for this look you guys might want to put false eyelashes on. Feel free to do so. But I'm just going to go in with a black eyeliner. and I'm gonna press right up here. Just so when I put my mascara on, I don't have that space in between. And that should be good. If you have to go back in with it after you're done putting your mascara on, do so. Today I'm going to use, which mascara do I want to use today? My Makeup Forever Excessive Lashes. And you guys want to see how I get my mascara the way that I do? I will leave a link in the description box because there's a video on it. Now for my lipstick, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Melted. This is in Sugar. And it's a very nude lip. You guys know I love my nudes. And it's creamy, but it's matte. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any more requests, feel free to hit me up and let me know, and I'll be glad to make a video for you guys. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.